What is up, everybody? Today we are back at it again with some more of the Japanese stuff. We got some crazy stuff today. I don't know what most of this is even going to taste. I mean, this, I kind of expect it to taste like grapes. But I don't really know what that is. Some kind of candy. I don't know if it's like hard. It might be gum. Had some crazy stuff like that before. It's got some ducks and like some sucker fishes, I guess. I don't know. It kind of looks like a lifesaver. Who knows? Time out real quick. Stop everything you're doing. Hit that subscribe button and hit that like button if you enjoyed the content. Then we got some Texas corn we're going to try. It's got an octopus and they're all making these weird faces like this one. They got the weird faces. They're about the same kind of. And then these look absolutely disgusting. I don't really want to try these, but I'm going to because why wouldn't I? Also, got some mystery boxes on the way, so be on the lookout for those. We're going to go ahead and hop into this though. Try these grapes real quick. It's got no English on it. Because if it has some English, I'm obviously going to say it. Give a little insight on it, but we're going to try some of these real quick. Oh, they're sour. They're real tart. They don't really taste like a grape. And it's like it just dissolves almost and breaks down into a powder pretty much. Not bad if you like kind of sour things at first. I'm not the biggest fan. But, well, I was supposed to rip that in every 3. But yeah, we're going to try this next. I'm going to call it Japanese Lifesavers. This is actually really good. Not like a lifesaver at all. It's rather soft. It's just got a really good taste to it. Next, we're going to try this Japanese Texas corn. And that's all it says is Texas corn. It says it on the back too. Texas corn. But the rest is all Japanese. Looks like maybe a garlic puff or something. I don't like the way it smells. These taste like Cheerios. It's all that this tastes like is a Cheerio with a little bit of flavor, but it's a Cheerio made with the same thing as a Cheerio. That's a Cheerio. So this is cereal. Texas corn in Japan is cereal to us. Last is, I don't even know what to call it, like some dried up noodles maybe? It's got a picture on the back. I guess you're supposed to sprinkle it over like maybe a salad. So, I don't know. And it says mini. That's the only English on the package is mini, which doesn't help at all. But we're going to go ahead and try it. Oh, it stinks. Oh, yeah, they look weird. It's just like, I don't know. Nah. Ugh. Oh, they're disgusting. At first, it's not bad. It's just like I think it's like a dried up piece of bread. Oh my God, those are terrible. They're just nasty. Disgusting. I don't know what that flavor is, but that is disgusting. These are not good. Everything else was decent. I mean, Texas Cornish Cheerios. The grapes are sour. And that's some good candy. But those are terrible, man. They're disgusting. But like I said, got some mystery boxes. We're going to be doing some different things on this channel. We're going to continue trying things from around the world, but we're going to go into some other things. Be pretty interesting. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that bell with the notifications if you haven't already, and leave a comment for what you want to see next time. Follow me on all the social medias, and until next time, have a good one.